Welcome to Check-in Buddy. My name is Robert, and I'd like to give you a high-level view of how the Check-in Buddy software works. Once you've signed up and created your organization, we take you to the dashboard. The dashboard is just a high-level view of who's arriving today, who's checking out today. It gives you a couple of updates in terms of different statuses for check-ins, depending on the day. And we have a notification as well that you can look at. And at the top here, you've got your bookings tab. This is where you create your bookings and send out your invites. The accommodation tab, where you load your accommodation information, as well as the accounts tab to manage all your account information. Up at the top here, you've got the number of check-ins you have left in credits. So basically, the first step would be to create an accommodation. You click on this tab. I've already created one, but I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like when you push the Add Accommodation button. So in this step, you would be adding all your accommodation information. You'll have your details on the accommodation. You'll have your health questionnaire. We allow you to pick different questions that you would like to send to your guest. There's a location tab, which is a Google marker that you can send to the guests. You have your indemnity and your T's and C's, which you'd like your guests to sign, and any other documentation that you would like to send to your guest prior to arrival. It could be a restaurant menu. It could be a room guide. It could be directions to your establishment. I'm going to do a whole section on this at a later stage, so I'm going to close this for now. Once you've created your accommodation, you go to your bookings tab. Under your bookings tab is where you would create your bookings and invite your guests. So basically, to invite guests to a booking, you would create a booking. This is where you'd select the accommodation you would like to invite to, the check-in and check-out dates, the number of adults that are part of that booking, and number of minors, as well as your booking reference. You will see that here are the different fields for the different adults that you'd like to invite. The first adult has a star next to it and would be your primary guests. The reason for the star is that if you don't have all the guest information, you can invite the primary guest, who then has the option to invite the rest of the guests through their profile. So there's no need to have all the guest information. If you don't, you just invite the primary guest and they would then invite the rest of the group. Once you've filled out the information, you would then send out the invite. I'll do a separate section on that as well. I wanted to show you quickly what it looks like when somebody is checked in. So here I have two different statuses, pending being they haven't checked in yet. Pre-checked in is they've filled in all their check-in information. And then the checked in status is once they've filled in the health questionnaire, which will be sent to them 24 hours prior to arrival. To view a guest information, you click on this button here. This will take you to the information on that specific guest. Here you can see the full details on the guest. You can see a passport that they've uploaded or an ID document, the booking details that they've submitted, as well as the health screening questionnaires that they've submitted. And you can then add the temperature for a specific date to this guest profile, and it will then save under their profile. You can then also view the health question in the event that you need to submit this to an authority. You can then view it and you can go to print, and this will print it as a PDF, or you can save it. I'm going to close that now, and I'm going to close this. So that's basically an overview of the Check-in Buddy software and how it works.